Now the session is discussed about generalized linked list. In generally, the general list is a finite sequence of n elements. When n greater than or equal to 0, the element, any element we represent as ei, is either an atom or a single element or another generalized list. So the element that are not an atom, they will be a sublist of the L. Suppose we have the number of element. This is one sublist, and A, comma B, comma C are the list, and then DE is the sublist, and F is one of the sublist, and G. So the L are the three element sublist, A, comma B, comma C, and DE and comma F, and the atom G are the three elements. Under the sublist of DE and F, there are two elements in one sublist, and another one is again it comes separate from the list. So how we have to insert the element into the list? It can be used based on the generalized list. So these are the list tag. If the tag is true, the element can be represented by the node as in sublist. So based on the tag, we have to insert an element based framed by the corresponding given list. So for the L, suppose the L have a three element, that is in first element we have to insert A, comma B, comma C. So for the purpose we have to generalize three tag for inserting an element. From the first tag we have to list out A, B, C element for down point of the first node in the sublist, and it can be linked with the tag item. Then the next tag item can be pointed to the second tag. In this tag there are how many lists are there? In this sublist, it is divided into two sublists, D, comma E and F. So we have to another tag for this pointer tag. Then we have to insert an element D, comma E as one of the sublist, and F is the one of the separate sublist. Then it will be connect with the final tag. Then the second tag will be pointed to the third tag. Under this tag, there is only one element is G. So the data will be posted the same node. So for this purpose, for based on sublist of element, we have to introduce the new tag for getting the element as a sublist. This is one of the general list. It is used for a polynomial function. We have to use this type of generalist list efficiently. So we have to meet the optimal type. Thank you. In C++, the generalized lists have been structured based on this type: generalized list node by creating a class, then private tag. We have to assign pointer next, and using bool tag we have to use to point out the sublist of the node, then we have to generalize downwards based on using union. In another way, we have to define the generalized linker list contains the structure or element with every one containing its own pointer. So it's generalized means if the list can have any deletion, insertion or similar inserted, we have to generalize the list in efficient manner.